Hey everyone, welcome back. Apple has quietly launched a new web page titled Snapshot on Apple, offering fans a quick way to explore content from their favorite artists, actors, and athletes across Apple Music, Apple TV, and Apple Podcasts. The site features a pretty neat scrolling carousel of window names such as Billie Eilish, Taylor Swift, Sabrina Carpenter, Brad Pitt, Lionel Messi, Stephen Curry, Serena Williams, and even bands like Coldplay and BTS. It's worth pointing out that each profile provides brief background info and links to their songs, shows, documentaries, and podcast appearances within Apple's ecosystem. Promoted with the tagline "Your Favorites" at a glance, the Snapshot page curates content to make celebrity media easily discoverable. For instance, Billie Eilish section showcases her music, her 2021 Apple TV Plus documentary, and featured podcast interviews. The page is available at snapshot.apple.com, although it currently lacks advanced features like a search bar. Apple hasn't formally announced the page yet, and its future promotion or integration across Apple platforms remains to be seen.